In this video you will find out the host name and IP address. So I am going to use the socket library. So let's define a function get host name IP. Okay. So here I am going to make a host name variable and here I will ask the user input. Okay. So we'll ask the user enter a website name. Okay. So now we will put a try block. Okay, so let's print okay f host name okay, let's print IP also. Okay, IP socket dot get host by name. Okay, and then host name. Okay, so now we'll put a except block socket dot gaierror as error will print f invalid hostname error is and then the error. So let's call the function get. Okay, so let's run it. So here it is asking for the website, so let's put wikipedia.com. so you can see the IP address over here. So let's put a invalid name. Okay, .com. so you can see here get address info field. So you can see the invalid hostname error